Hello, welcome to the PaintFX tutorial. PaintFX is a universal iPhone/iPad app, and we're going to learn about some of its coolest features. We start from the main menu and create a new project. You can load photos from a variety of sources. I'm going to load an image from my phone. You're first given the option of cropping, rotating, or flipping the image. I'll keep it as it is. If you edit a large, high-resolution photo, the app may warn you that processing takes longer. Hit the Effects button and it loads a menu of all the effects you have to work with. In the Effects screen, the first row has different categories of effects, and the second row shows you what effects are available within the selected category. You can select whether to apply the effects to the whole photo using Fill Effects, or to certain areas of the photo using your finger with PaintFX. I'm going to use PaintFX mode and select Sketch. After you've selected your effects, you can select a brush style. The options on this screen vary depending on the effects you have selected. In this case, you have sliders for brush edge, opacity, and size. Now we're ready to apply the effects using our finger. A cool thing about PaintFX is that we can apply special effects to just part of the photo instead of the whole photo. To fine-tune the edges, you can zoom in using two fingers, and you can also use two fingers to drag and reposition the image. If it turns out you don't like the effects, you can use the Undo button to take you back as far as you like. I'm going to try darkening the background. From the Effects menu, we select Brightness. Now in the Brushes menu, you can see the options have changed a little bit. Now we have a brightness slider. Again, we apply the effect with our finger. Now we can darken those edges. Let's say I accidentally apply an effects to an area I don't want. You can fix that with either the Undo button as shown before, or you can use the Eraser tool. To zoom out, use two fingers and pinch and drag. Alternatively, if you wish to reposition the image with one finger, you can hit the Pan Zoom button and use one finger to move, two fingers to zoom. Go back to the Effects mode when you're finished. What makes PaintFX really unique is that you can apply several effects on various areas of a single photo. For example, we've already applied brightness effects to make the background darker, but say we now want to make the subject brighter. We can simply select the effect, set up the brush, and now apply it to the desired area. Using different brightness in different areas of the photo is kind of like a manual HDR trick. Let's try yet another effect, the Colorize effect, and apply it to the subject. If I want the Colorize effect to blend with the brightness effect, I first create a new layer. If I apply the effect without a new layer, the new effect simply replaces the old effect. You can see in the brush settings that you now have the options for picking color. Now we've got three different effects in the same photo, and you can go on and on and on. Continuing with the Colorize effect, let's give the background a greenish hue. Now let's say I don't like the background at all. Let's get rid of it. Using the PaintFX, we select the color we want the background to be, Make sure the brush opacity is set to 100% and apply the effects. This effectively erases the background. Don't forget to save your work. You can save the photo to your camera roll or share it with any of your favorite apps. Now let's review everything. We have the main menu to create projects. We have the Save File menu. We have the Effects menu to load all kinds of cool effects. The Brush menu for setting options such as color and opacity, brush edge. We have the Undo and Redo buttons. The Pan Zoom tool for one-finger positioning. The Sketch mode to apply our effects, and a Mask mode, which is covered in a different tutorial. The Eraser tool to erase mistakes, and the Layers tool, which creates new layers in order to combine effects. The Help menu to help you with any of the program features. That's it for now. Here are some of the cool effects you can create with Paint Effects. Now go and create your own masterpiece.